Welcome, Holman and Gale Electric Trumpeter teachers, to the beginning of your journey in getting your 316 reading teacher license. My name is Amy Steckley, and I'm going to be your first teacher in this class, series of classes. And today's video is just to kind of welcome you and give you the opportunity to learn a little bit about myself and a little bit about what you can expect within Moodle, and hopefully answer some questions that you just might be wondering about. So, with that being said, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I started out after getting my degree at Carroll College in Waukesha, teaching at two Catholic schools in Waukesha. I was a Spanish teacher there. And then my husband and I got married and we moved to Phoenix, and I taught bilingual third grade for 3 years. And then the reading program we had adopted kind of coerced me into coming to work with them, and it was just one of the best moves I made in my career. I would get to travel all over the Southwest to visit classrooms and work with teachers on how to teach really solid reading using data and best practices. And so from there, I ended up moving back home, and with my husband, we had 2 children. And from there, I started working at CESA 4. I was the Director of Response to Intervention, Professional Learning Communities, and the Adolescent Literacy Series. So as I was working on all of those things at CESA, really got interested in learning more about literacy and being a leader in the schools. So I started working on my master's degree. I have an MEPD licensure from UW-La Crosse. And then after I got finished with that, jumped in with the Viterbo program and have my principal license. So someday, that's kind of one of my goals. And currently hold a 316 reading teacher and a 317 reading teacher specialist, which helps me out every single day. Currently, I'm the reading interventionist for the school district of Holman at our middle school, and it's super encouraging every day to see kids growing so much and still being excited about learning to read and becoming better readers. So other than that, outside of the school day, some things you might want to know about me. My husband also teaches in the GET district. He's a 5th grade teacher in Galesville. And then I have 2 children. My daughter Kate is an 8th grader at Holman Middle School. She is an avid dancer. She's been dancing since she was 3. She also loves show choir and volleyball, so she keeps me super busy driving her all around. And then my son Drew, Dad takes him just about everywhere he likes to go, which would include baseball, basketball, football. And if he's actually home, he's probably chasing his sister down with Nerf guns. So that is pretty much what our crazy household is like. And my free time's usually sitting on a bleacher watching one of the kids. Or I'm a big Pinterest fan, and I love to do my nails. I'm kind of a nail freak. And a lot of decorating. Just built a brand new house this summer, so still kind of working on getting some final details set up in the house. So that's a little bit about me. Let's talk a little bit more now about the course. What I have opened up so far is just what you need right now. I didn't want to overwhelm you coming into the program. So what you'll notice is that every Sunday I will open up another segment, another week's worth of information for you. Each week you'll see a little PowerPoint like this with a video recording. I highly, highly recommend watching those every week because they will give you more information than just what you see on the checklist for things to read or to post or any assignments that you might have, work that's going to be due on an upcoming Saturday class. So always watch those first. There's also the opportunity to review the syllabus this week. If you haven't ordered books, please go ahead and do that. And if you do have any questions, please do contact me. I prefer that you contact me through my Viterbo email just so that I have record of that. It makes it easier for you as well. Emails that I send out to you will come out of Moodle, so I believe we have everybody connected with your email, your preferred email, and that I can send that out via Moodle. So if you do have any questions, just to reach out to me. Andrea is also another great resource, so she can help you with anything on the registration side of the courses. So looking forward to getting a chance to meet all of you face-to-face on our first weekend. But in the meantime, enjoy what's in the site, and we start class on January 15th. Let's get ready to do some learning. Looking forward to it. Have a great week.